Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making yamarita. Yes, so it's what we are going to be making. So nowadays in the market there is no good yam, so all the yams, they are just somehow. So we are just going to manage what we have. So let's manage what we have. So feel free to, I've already remove the piece, peel the yam, so I'm just going to cut it into the size in which will be okay for this yamarita. So I'm just going to bring it down, just this. Just some. Yeah. So that is it for the yam. So the next item is my flour. I have paprika here. I have Maggi cubes here, and over here I have 2 eggs. So the next, so guys, I'm going to be adding salt because I'm going to be boiling it for just few minutes. 5 minutes should be okay. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my water. So I'm going to take it directly to my gas, allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So over here is my flour. Then I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt into the flour. I'm also going to be adding my seasoning cube in there. I'm going to mix. Then add my paprika. Make sure you combine it very well. So in another bowl, I'm going to take another bowl, then break in my eggs. So guys, we are going to start now. So I'm going to be dipping my yam into the egg wash. Then just take it, put it in here, which is the flour. I'm going to dip it into the flour, just as you see me doing. Then bring it back in there. So I'm going to take another one, go in first with the egg wash, then put it in here, just to see me. So you are seeing me doing it. Then put it in there. guys, our yamarita is almost ready. So yummy, delicious and tasty. Make sure it's golden brown. Guys, our yamarita is ready. So this is how I love to serve mine. So I serve mine with my fish sauce. So you can feel free to serve it with your egg sauce or with your vegetable sauce. So any sauce of your choice is also good for this yamarita. Yeah, it's so delicious and tasty. Have you guys tried it? Go ahead and try it. It's so delicious. Your kids are going to love it. Yeah, thank you all so much. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye.